Hello and welcome. I'm Ritik Chandani and you're watching the Incredible India Showcase. Tomorrow on 23rd October, Sydney is going to celebrate a fun and vibrant festival, Para Masala, which celebrates the diversity of cultures we have in the city. Para Masala is a much anticipated annual event that attracts more than 50,000 people every year to Parramatta in Western Sydney. So in its 6th year, Para Masala is being held alongside the inaugural India Tourism Week, which is an initiative established by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to build the cultural ties between Australia and India.
It's 6 years now the Para Masala festival first started, and I'm sure it's gone into bigger and better festival this year, and we are very pleased to partner with India Tourism, and they are having the India Tourism Week in Sydney, and they are one of the major sponsors of this festival. It's one of the things which was always intrigued me to get the India Tourism involved, because a lot depends upon the bilateral tourism between the two countries. So I've read recently that it has gone by about 6% or 7%, but I want it to be doubled after this festival.
For this whole week, I, Ritik Chandani, I'm going to be your host, and every day I'm going to take you around and show you what's happening at India Tourism Week. Today on 22nd October is the curtain raiser of India Tourism Week at the Courtyard Riverside Theatre, Parramatta.
It's a celebration time starting today, 22nd of October 2015. 3 days of fantastic activities starting tomorrow, and 26th we are having a presentation, India Night. So please visit Para Masala, visit India Pavilion and see Indian diversity, culture, masala, craft, food, handicraft.
So the event started with the customary Indian ritual of lighting the lamp, and then there was welcoming message by India Tourism. Was addressed by Dr. Hari Nath, who's chairman of Para Masala, Consul General Mr. Sanjay Sudhir, and Assistant Director of Incredible India, Vibhav Tripathi, Suman Billa, who's Joint Secretary of Tourism for Government of India.
The event that we're doing is actually to connect with the end consumers, because typically most of the events that we do are business to business. We thought that this is the first time that we should come out and do something that connects directly with the community, and therefore the Para Masala is we are working with Para Masala to do the India Tourism Week. The idea is that the event itself celebrates diversity, and that's what India is all about.
I'm very happy that the India Tourism Week is happening. In fact, if you go back about a year back, when Prime Minister Modi was here, one of the things he announced was the India Tourism Week, and within a year it's happening. And there could not have been a better way but to do it in conjunction with Para Masala, which is one of probably the leading multicultural festivals of Sydney.
Hope you enjoyed the start of India Tourism Week with me. I'll come back to you tomorrow with Day 2's update. Meanwhile, spread the spirit of India Tourism Week and don't forget to like, subscribe and share our video. You can also visit our website www.incredibleindia.org.